Hey guys, good morning. It's 7 o'clock in the morning and I'm getting ready for work. So I didn't even get to do my hair, but my sister calls me upstairs to fix these brows. She loves perfection. She is a makeup artist. So I'm just gonna let her touch it up, let her do her magic, and here she comes.
Hey guys. So if you know me, I'm a perfectionist and I cannot let my sister walk out the house looking all kinds of crazy caveman womanish.
I don't know why.
So I'm going to use her product that she uses every day just to conceal under her eyes to teach her a quick little fun trick to help conceal her brows. So to start, I'm using 10 Cedar in the Sephora Make No Mistake Foundation Concealer Stick. And for this, I'm going to just apply it with a flat-ended brush. And what I'm going to do is just line her natural brow shape out. And I'm just going to put that much product on it. So what you want to do is just line her natural shape of her brows. So you see she looks a little crazy. I'm going to use this Wet n Wild flat-ended brush. You can use any kind of flat brush just to blend this out. So take it from the top and just blend it out into her skin. And then I'm going to do the same thing underneath. It gives her a nice defined shape. Go ahead, look a little closer. Do you guys see that? How beautiful. Look at the other side. We got to even it up because we don't want her looking all kinds of crazy for work.
Dang.
I'm just going to go ahead and follow her natural shape of her brows. Like that. Blend it up. Chin up for me.
So I have a question.
What's up?
Should I use the same concealer that I'm using for my face? Should I use the same color or should it be a different color for eyebrows or what?
So in your case, because your concealer is already one to two shades lighter than your natural complexion, because Di doesn't do any foundation, guys. She's a natural kind of girl. She hates foundation. If she has to, she would, but on a daily basis, no. I can't even ask her to do it. Let me tell you something about this girl. She wakes up at 5 o'clock in the morning. Every morning, she goes to the gym, comes back, and takes care of her 2 boys.
Yes.
Breakfast and everything. She is a super mom. So just real quick. So she doesn't have time for foundation.
No.
On an everyday basis. So concealer is her best friend. And even me getting her to wear concealer was a task. So you're welcome. But let me go ahead and just blend that out. You see how nice it just blends right into her skin? Whatever excess I have, I'll just blend out the top. One last step. I don't know how she'll feel about this because it's one more step.
Yeah,
but I'm just going to use the Ben Nye powder in banana. Use my brush from Alien Cosmetics, guys. It's amazing. And I'm just going to use this to just tap out any excess and just press it into the skin. And this is going to set the makeup so it doesn't move throughout the day or anything. So that's all I'm doing. And I'm going to do the same thing underneath. So I'm just going to use the powder that I have already in and just go over. Let me see you turn this way for me.
So now that you're doing my eyebrows, does that mean I have to do your hair for work?
You totally can. I'm so okay with that. Although my hair doesn't look bad.
No, it looks really good.
Like, how does she look? Does she look transformed? I think she looks amazing.
It looks so good. I look
fine that looks.
I have to fix my hair and then I will be ready for work. Thank you.
So guys, if you like to see more videos like this, go ahead and subscribe to our channel below. Like and comment. Give us some love.
Ask us more questions.
And thank you so much for watching.
Bye.
Peace out, peeps.